What's going on, everybody? In this video we're going to migrate the local website to a remote website. Since we have already done this, and some of the issues that you might encounter when moving particular files, so let me just quickly show you what I mean. So on this side, as you might have probably guessed, when moving the image, a logo, we weren't successful, so that's why this title appears. So in order to fix this issue, we should have an image which this website is trying to locate by using the local host option, which is not something that we want. If you take a look at this, uh, you will see that there are some requests that are asking for this file using a local address. So let's just take one more look again. So here you can see it's saying that it wants to access this file by using the local host server. So let me show you how to fix this issue. In order to change the path, we need a plugin which is called Better Search and Replace. So let's go over to the plugins and add new, and let's look for Better Search Replace, and let's install this plugin. So this is the plugin that we need to install. Click on install, and after it installs, we need to activate by clicking on the activate button. So once you have activated it, let's go over to the settings, and right at the very bottom we will see, or I should say here in the tools section, we will have this option. So let's go over to the Better Search Replace. Now we can see that we have a list of tables and that we can choose from. What we are doing basically is looking for a particular string, and we want to replace the string with our new website to which we just migrated. So let's take one more look at this link. Here it's requesting this address. So if we somehow copy this page, we will see, let me just quickly put down this. Now we can see that we have this address that we need to replace with a new address. So it starts with HTTP, not HTTPS, and we need to copy this bit of code and place it right here. So we want to replace this string with a new string that we have now. So the new string is this. This is a temporary domain name which I want to replace with. So this now looks pretty well. So the next thing is selecting the tables. Select all the tables that are here. So we want to look for this particular string inside these tables. So if this box is checked, nothing will be committed. We're just looking for stuff to see the changes, to see if we are about to make a change. So I suggest you leaving this first by checking this box and clicking on the Run Search Replace. So if it finds anything to replace, we will see it right here. So here we can see that the dry search, dry run has found 14 tables were searched and 45 cells were found that needs to be updated. That basically means that we are about to commit a change, but no changes were made because the box was checked. So the next thing is we need to remove this check from this checkbox and run it again in order to make the actual change. So now if we take a look at this again, if we reload this page, instead of this title, which usually appears in WordPress websites if it can find the corresponding logotype, it usually shows the uh, title. So now if we replace this, we should see the logo. So this is pretty much how you use the Better Search Replace plugin. If you ever migrate from a local website to a remote website, I highly recommend you using this plugin. So I always use this plugin in order to replace local strings, local path strings to a remote. So this was it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Uh, Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like this video, leave thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and put something in the comment section below. I appreciate it. So anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you again.